If you want to experience fresh homegrown food but you don't have a lot of space, then pots and containers are the perfect way to do it. I'm using one of Northcote Pottery's trough planters. It comes in 3 different colours to suit any style of garden decor. It's nice and big so we can get lots of plants in there, and it's lightweight so you can move it around the garden. Just make sure you use a Debco premium quality potting mix. This one is tailor-made for vegetables and herbs, so it'll get your potted veggie patch off to the best start. So when you're growing veggies in pots and containers or small spaces, keep an eye out for some of the compact growing forms. So this is one of the dwarf tomatoes that only gets to about 60 centimetres tall and produces masses of fruit. Tomatoes are one of those unusual plants that can form roots along the stem. So I like to plant them a little bit deeper. What that does is it encourages a bigger, more stable root zone that's more able to soak up lots of water and nutrients. Tomatoes like a little bit of air circulation around the canopy, so just pay attention to your spacing. Check out the label if you need to, but because these are only dwarf types, I can probably fit about 3 in here. Also keep an eye out for naturally growing compact vegetables. So you've got things like your capsicums and chilies. They'll produce a big crop of fruit through the warmer months. I also like to include lots of leafy greens in a small space or in containers. With these, they're fast growing, but you can also nip out into the garden and harvest the outside leaves as you need them. So it's kind of like having a salad bar in your backyard. So just pop into Mitre to see what's in season now. And what goes really well with tomatoes? Herbs. So I'm just going to pop a few little things like basil and parsley in here too. Veggies are hungry little things, so just make sure that you feed them at the beginning of each season with a controlled release fertilizer like this. So this one is tailor-made for tomatoes, vegetables and herbs, and it's jam-packed with everything your little veggie patch will need to grow and flourish. Isn't it nice to think that you'll be harvesting fresh tomatoes and herbs straight from your backyard, no matter how big it is?